Reply to WhatsApp messages without typing a single word. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit and tap on General. Now scroll down once again and tap on Keyboard Settings. Here, scroll down and look for the Enable Dictation option and turn on its toggle. You'll see a warning pop up. Just tap Enable Dictation. Done. That's the only setup you need. Now open WhatsApp on your device. Go to any chat where you want to send a message. Tap on the message box to bring up the keyboard. You'll see a small microphone icon in the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Tap on it, and you'll see it is highlighted. Now start speaking. For example, I had some free time in the evening. Can you join? Your iPhone converts your voice into text in real time. Once you're done speaking, tap the microphone icon again to stop. Check your message and hit the send button. And that's it. The message is sent without typing.